दोस्तों, I will show you in this video how you can install Cisco Packet Tracer free of cost in this video. Also, I will show you how you can use offline and online, and this is the website where you can get the uh, software from here. Also, I will provide the link in the description. You can check it out there. Also, first I'm going to show you here. I have already put the website here, and now if you want to download this software, then you can check, and if you don't have the user account, then you cannot download this software. So I will recommend you have to create the account. If you need how to create this account, you can ping me a comment in the chat box, or in the comment box. I will make a separate video for this. So you can check here is the interface of this website where you can download the software. But you can check here this please log in to download resource login, and first you have to log in, then you can download this software, otherwise you cannot download the software. And there are lots of many websites where you can download, but it was not latest software of the Cisco Packet Tracer. Also, I want to let you know one more thing. You can download Cisco packages from here free of cost. There is no charge. You can learn lots of things from here free of cost. You have just to go for a tour, take a tour, and you can check here. This is the take a tour, and I have already as I told you, this is the account. And if you don't have the account, then you have to create this account. So if you need the separate video, you can ping me in the comment box. And right now I have already account, and if you don't have, then you have to create. Otherwise, I have already account for this. So I'm clicking on Network Academy. Now I have this. Now it's redirecting to my account. You can check it out here. Now I am logged here. So I am logged in here, and now you can check, these are the links. You can download Packet Tracer latest version from here. If you have the Mac OS, then you can click on this, and if you have Ubuntu, you can click on that. But I have the window, and so I am just clicking on here, and I have already downloaded this software. So I'm going to show you here. This is my downloading box. I have already downloaded. This is the software. So whenever you will like, I'm clicking on this link, and it will be start for downloading. You can check it is started download again. So I will push this here because I have already downloaded. And this is the process. So you can download this software easily, and then you have to also you can check here my learning, and you can get from here lots of things for learning perspectives. And also I want to show you something here, how you can install this software. I think it is a very easy task. So just because I have already downloaded the software, so I'm clicking on this here, open this file. Now it's asking for right, so I just click on yes. Now it will ask some uh, accept agreement, then click on next. And it is the directory where you want to install this. I'm taking the C drive, and the icon Cisco. Also I need icon on the desktop, so I'm click on here, and I will quickly create a launch. Now it is installing in this system, then I can use this. so we have to wait for a while. Also friend, I want to tell, also you can, if you like this video and this content, please support me and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. If you have any issues regarding to network simulators, EBNG, Cisco Packet Tracer, GNS, you can comment on the box. Also friend, I want to tell you one more thing. If you don't have the account, okay, then I will download this software and I will keep in my Google Drive, and I will share the link. You can directly download from there also. So almost it had been done. So also I want to tell you one more thing. This is the official Cisco websites. Okay, and it has been done. So I am clicking on the finish, then it will launch automatically. So I have just click on this finish, or it's launching right now. You can check in the taskbar. I'm clicking on here. Yes, multi-user. Would you like to run multi-user when application starts? Yes. Now you can check here. This is the interface which is starting. Oh wow, great interface of this Cisco Packet Tracer. Allow this access. And now I want to let you one more thing. If you don't have the account for this, you have to just also you have to use offline this software, as it will ask for the credential for your account. If you have your account, then it's good for you, else you can use the offline. Just I am going to use this offline for you. Like you can check, if I don't log in this, then it will automatically close. So what I will do here, I will turn off my Wi-Fi here, and then I will show you here again how it will relaunch, because now it will not redirect for login. You can check here simply. Okay, so that's now I can use this software. What I want to, like if I want to make any topology here, and simply I can use here. So friends, if you don't have any account, like if I will share the link for software, you can download it. Also don't use during this your internet connection is there on the internet, you can use offline. Okay, if you have your account for the Cisco Packet Tracer, then you can use online as well during the connected with the internet. So this is the video for your help, and thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel, Networking World. Thank you so much.